Hello, in this video I'll show you how to remove and replace the AC compressor on Audi A4 B6 1.9 TDI. The AC compressor on this car is located on the front of the engine, right where the serpentine belt is, but it's down there, so we need to get to it from the bottom of the car. That's the AC compressor right there. In order to remove it, it's held by 3 bolts, and also we need to remove this serpentine belt. To remove the belt, we need to loosen the tensioner pulley. The tensioner pulley is held by 2 bolts, which are Allen key size 5. That's the tensioner, and that's one of the bolts, and that's the other bolt right there. This is the Allen key that I'm going to be using. It's Allen key size 5. When I loosen the 2 bolts, the tensioner will be able to slide up and down, and then the belt will get loose and we can remove it. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. And that's the belt out. Next we're going to remove the 3 bolts holding the AC compressor. That's 1 bolt right there. There's 1 bolt on top. The bolt is right there, and we also need to remove this bolt as well, and the rear bolt is right there, this one. Before removing those bolts, there is an electrical connector on top of the AC compressor that first we need to remove, and then we can start removing the bolts. First I'm going to loosen them with the ratchet, and then I'm going to use an electric ratchet to remove them quicker. And that's the last bolt holding the AC compressor removed. Now I'm going to bring the AC compressor down and remove the 2 AC lines, the bolts on the 2 AC lines. These are the 2 AC lines, and these are the 2 bolts that I need to remove. Now that the bolts are removed, I'm just going to pull out the AC lines. And that's the AC compressor removed. Next I'm going to remove the two O-rings on the AC lines, and I'm going to replace them with new ones. Make sure the new ones are the same size as the old ones. Before putting on the AC compressor, you make sure you lubricate those O-rings on the AC lines with AC oil, and then you can put them on the AC compressor and tighten the bolts. Now that the bolts on the AC lines are tightened, next we can put the AC compressor in its place and put on the 3 bolts and tighten them. After we tighten the 3 bolts, then we can connect the electrical connector and then put on the belt and tighten it. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much.